Cooper's at it again this morning. They are wearing me out. He wants to kill him a big buck today. He's shooting no does. What you got to say, man?
Not shooting no does.
You ready to shoot a big buck this morning?
Yeah.
How big is he gonna be?
12 point.
12 point. We'll see what the Lord has in store. Y'all hang with us. What you eating over there?
Deer meat. Pomade candy.
Jerky. Is that a good deer stand snack or what?
Yeah.
Hey, bro. You want to make a video, you gotta look at the camera when you say something.
I'm trying to look for something.
So you ain't got time for this? I don't think he's gonna make it being a professional deer hunter. He might as well just hunt for himself. What did you say?
They said it's gonna be a little cold. I'm freezing out here.
It's 50 degrees.
I'm freezing.
You wore your big jacket, dude.
Yeah, I'm freezing still.
Well, look at me in my little jacket.
You ain't freezing.
I guess I'm too fat to freeze. I hope we see something quick. He's losing interest fast. Now I can't shoot nothing.
Only if I let you because you took me.
What? Say it again.
You took me here.
Only if you let me. That's what. I'm gonna start leaving his butt at the house.
It's gonna fall me. What?
I said I'm gonna start leaving your butt at the house. He wants to move stands too. He wants to climb down out of this stand and go get in a different one. Don't you?
Yeah.
Why do you want to move stands?
Because we ain't seen nothing. Not even a sign.
Not even a sign. What kind of sign you want?
Deer tracks. Creeks. Everywhere. Rocks.
Oh, okay. Now you want to get on YouTube and act like you know what you're talking about.
I never said that. There ain't gonna be no deer over here.
How long we gonna sit here?
Hour and 30 minutes.
Why don't you say it with as much enthusiasm as you did before I pulled this camera out? What you got to say?
You said that it's about to be 7 o'clock.
It is 7 o'clock.
I said we gotta wait an hour, then we started. Said an hour. And then I said, I said we gotta wait an hour and 30 minutes because you keep on talking.
Oh, 'cause I keep on talking. I tell you what, I'll shut up as long as you shut up. You good with that?
Yeah.
Deal. He knows what he's doing. Every time the camera's off, he starts running his mouth. Every time. And then he says, sits over there acting like he's the mature one in this deer stand.
What'd you say?
You heard me. I didn't stutter, sucker.
Yeah, you did. What are we?
What you think that is?
Oh, it's loud. Oh.
Look at me. Hey, you sleepy? You ready to go? We ain't seen nothing. Ain't nothing moving around. Barely seen a squirrel. We get back after him in a couple weeks. Y'all hang with us.